Today we're featuring a 2015 Toyota Camry LE. It's got 30,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax. Alright, it's Parisian Night Pearl. Really nice blue metallic color. Go ahead and give you the walk around of the vehicle. Make our way down the driver's side. Everything's in really good shape. Across the rear of the vehicle, it is equipped with a rear backup camera. Everything looked good there. Down the passenger side, everything looks really good. The only thing we noticed was right here on the front of the hood, just a couple little paint chips. Another one there, another one there. Really minor stuff, okay? The price will reflect that. Alright, 30,000 miles on this 2015. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Black on black door panels, power locks, power windows. Black cloth driver's seat. It is a power driver's seat. Driver's seat's in great shape. It does come with 2 keyless fobs. Alright, passenger seat's in really good shape as well. No problem at all there. It is an automatic. You got your climate control center here. Your backup camera will be here with your audio system, and I'll show you that in a second. It is equipped with Bluetooth and steering wheel audio controls. Go ahead and give you a shot of the mileage. It's got 30,470 miles. Go ahead and show you the audio system again. Go ahead and activate your backup camera. Alright. Go ahead and dim it down just a little bit so you can see it a little better. Okay, everything works good there. We have the air conditioner blowing now for about 10 minutes. Everything's blowing cold with your AC. Also want to give you a shot. It's got the power supply outlet there and your auxiliary USB port. Okay, let's go ahead and check out the back seat. Alright, everything looks really good back here. Cloth's in good shape. Alright, no problems at all there. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Okay, everything's laid out really nicely. It's only got 30,000 miles on it, so it's been well taken care of inside and out. Go ahead and check out your trunk space here. I'll kind of step to the side so you can see the depth. Alright, plenty of room back here. Go ahead and give you another shot of the passenger seat as well. Okay, as you can see, everything's well taken care of. No problem at all. Let's go ahead and take a look at your wheels and tires. Let's see, we got 16-inch steel wheels with a nice plastic hubcap on there. Brand new set of Toyota tires. Alright, once again, just to recap, it's a 2015 Toyota Camry LE, Parisian Night Pearl in color, black cloth interior. It's got a clean Carfax. Alright, it's 30,000 miles on it. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.